That killed me, bro. That killed me.
Because I like light-skinned niggas. Y'all are like, what, a shade darker than my tone? And I get a damn 8?
What's crazy is
I like light-skinned niggas. I was like, wait, what? He was like,
it was funny to say. I think he's the youngest.
He said, light-skinned niggas make me go crazy. So what am I? Did she say she like light-skinned niggas?
Yeah, she said.
She gave me the lowest rate.
She said, I like light-skinned niggas. Y'all be making a woman go crazy. And that's why I was like,
What?
Lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the.
Another video. You already know who this is. The mixed breed. We got a newcomer over here.
the boy Zay,
And then you already know who this is.
Mark.
You already know Genuine, aka G Peace. But today we're gonna be doing monkeys, and we're gonna be asking us, well, our followers some questions, and yeah, get this shit ready.
On an app called Monkey. I don't know, maybe.
Probably.
That made it sound kind of holy.
What's poppin'?
It made me want to get on my knees.
Really, nigga?
What? No. You don't gotta pay your knees.
At time. At time.
Hey, at the.
What did I come into though? I'm kind of confused.
Check this out.
So the last one, she was listening to some.
She was in church.
She was in church, and so like I was saying, go pray. You know, you get on your knees to pray.
Alright, that's a question that
You
you
guys are
know.
getting people in church? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright,
I
but
just had a bunch of old guys with their penises out.
Oh, hell no!
All right.
it's not us. But
Old
we got
guy
some questions to
with
ask you though.
penises.
Do you listen to rap?
Yes.
Who's your favorite rapper?
Oh God. That's
You said MG
And
Kelly?
quick question. What's going on with, okay, never mind. I was about to say, what's going on with the second camera? Cause I didn't see nothing.
Yeah, that's my best friend.
All right, so who's your favorite artist?
poppin', best
Let's put
friend?
it that way.
At the time.
Me?
Both of you.
I think Drake is my favorite.
Hey,
Okay.
mine's too. Mine's
What
too.
about you?
Drake sucks.
That's mine. Yeah, I like Drake.
Yes.
Yep, you got the best friend.
Hey, at the-
She had to be on drugs.
I don't think she was.
She was probably.
Come on, the way she was looking.
I don't give a fuck. Yo.
What's up?
Oh, I didn't know that was.
Hey, at time.
The Jiro?
No, that's not. Look at the
Yeah. All right, so matter of fact,
Can you pause that real quick?
Who's your favorite rapper?
I'm playing right now.
I have a favorite.
Who's your favorite artist?
I be listening to like love songs. I'm listening to that Shoot My Bang Bang shit alive. Fuck you.
So who?
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
What
Alright.
is going on?
What did she just say? She said she listens to love songs. She don't listen to that bang bang, this and that.
What was she just listening to though?
Bang bang.
No, what's going on?
Wow.
Then she said, "Fuck
And
all
they say
that."
females are smarter than males.
I don't think that's that YouTube channel.
Yo, how you doing?
What happened?
At time. At timey.
Hold on.
She's singing with the band.
All right, so we got 3 questions for y'all. All right, y'all ready?
3 questions?
Yeah.
Tres.
So who's
Go
your
first.
who's your favorite artist?
Like,
Any person.
fuck.
All time, doesn't matter, dead or alive.
Fuck. English or Spanish?
Don't
Doesn't
matter.
matter.
6 months later.
One
What comes?
hour
I
later.
guess. Frank Ocean.
Frank Ocean. Okay.
Alright. Alright, next question. Can y'all guess who's the oldest to the youngest in order? From oldest to youngest.
At time.
Okay. You're the oldest over here.
Which one?
Yes, you.
Okay.
Him.
And then the one always the other side. And then this one. And the middle one is the younger one.
Man,
Yes.
you're not gonna win
Thank you.
Nah, you're not right though.
All right, who's yeah, it's not. We in order.
It's in order.
He's the oldest. I'm the second, and then he's the youngest right here.
Oh shit. What?
Yeah, what? Hey, rate us.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10? Yeah.
Okay, get in the frame. Yeah, I can't see you.
Alright, just pick the phone up. Alright.
Move. Okay, you are like a 8.5.
Okay. And you?
What? Oh, sorry. I was like, solid 8.
Solid 8. Alright.
How about me?
That's on.
Oh, fuck. Your smile makes you a 9. Yeah, I was about to say that.
Damn, I should have smiled. Wait, you didn't get both.
Oh,
They both said it.
9.
Oh.
I'm not gonna smile.
Smile, little dude.
Smile said they're not going to respond. I'm going to smile.
I don't want to smile, cause.
8.5.
And then the other one.
Imagine
Same
this. What if it wasn't recording the whole time?
It would. I seen the red. That's why the phone down so fast. Jen.
She from Bridgeport.
Y'all did not say it was.
I
Y'all said
just
dance
it out.
That's why I was like, why are we
I
dancing?
don't know why
with
you
her?
had the time.
I don't know why you did either.
All right, first of all, y'all niggas,
You said his name was so
I
good.
said dance it
I
out.
put this on everything to hear that shit.
You should have saw. You should have looked at the name.
You clicked on it too
I
damn
thought- I said
fast.
she, and then he said so.
Yeah.
So it said Jose.
Because it said
I thought you was talking about
And he said-
him.
No, I knew it. He said that. He said it so says Jose. He
It
said-
did
and
say
then he-
Jose
and
from New York, but I already
and then-
clicked on it because it says she.
And then he said, I know it.
Then why would you click on it?
Cause I said it.
Because it
I
says
said
she.
I said she.
I
I
looked
said-
at the name.
I said she, and he said, and then he clicked it. He's like, but it says Jose. And it came up. He was like, I knew it. And he was like,
Bro, how you doing? Hey, at time. Alright, bet. Alright, so we got 3 questions for you. Is that alright with you?
Yeah.
At time.
Alright, so who's your favorite who's your favorite artist?
You said what?
Who's your favorite rapper?
I like shaking my ass, so whoever making ass shaking music got my speech like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Got you.
Got you.
What about you?
What about you?
We just like listening to like.
Got you.
Okay.
We got you on that one. So
Alright.
next is rate us 1 through 10 from this way, starting this way. Okay.
You an 8. I'm sorry, you an 8. But you.
Oh, I ain't tripping and shit. My shirt look better than you.
Alright.
That's not into light skinned niggas. I don't know what the bad y'all. Y'all be making it be straight and so. Y'all fine as fuck though.
appreciate that.
2,000 years later.
She gonna get. She gonna get it. She gonna. Jose.
I freaking knew it.
Just jam with it. Just jam with it. No, just jam with it. Just jam with it. Just jam with it.
That bit look like Squidward.
Squidward's house. What are you talking about?
That was a girl.
We know. Oh, you didn't know? Jose. Let's just dance it out.
Why did I say the person was named Jose?
That's what the name was. I thought it was a girl guy said she based Jose. And that came up. And you told.
Technical difficulties.
Wayne Carter, lot of niggas out here.